What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys saw from the title, I am going to be creating 4 looks for you guys using the new Norvina Collection Volume 2 palette. That is a mouthful, but yes, I created 4 looks for you guys. I had great response from the first one using the Norvina Volume 1 palette, and I did 3 looks for that one. If you guys want to check it out, I will have it linked up here somewhere for you guys. But yes, I created 4 looks this time just because I feel like this palette is so colorful and there's so many possibilities. But well, let me go ahead and show it to you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys want to see what it looks like. So this is the gorgeous palette. I actually love this packaging a lot more than the first one. Purple is not like my favorite color. I mean, it's really pretty and I enjoy it, but actually one of my favorite colors is like turquoise teal. So when I saw this packaging, I about died. I loved it. So I definitely love this one a lot more. Along with the palette, we were also sent this box right here, which is enormous. Look at the size compared to my head, but it is so pretty, so I'm not complaining. So this box contains the new loose glitters that they came out with. They aren't new to the line. They do have some already that exist, but these are new shades to the line. So these are the colors right here. I try to utilize some of the glitters in some of the looks, as you guys will see, and obviously the one that I'm wearing right now. It also came with the glue, which, oh my god, so awesome, you guys. And the last thing that it came with are these really cute backpacks, and oh my god, she actually wanted to come out with these during like Coachella and like festive season, which you can still, you know, go to festivals all year round and concerts. I think these will be amazing for like concerts. So these are super fun, and I'm so thankful that they sent these over as well. So here is the palette once again. I can't get over it. It's so pretty. And then these are the shades right here, you guys. And it's very different from Volume 1. It's very cool tone, very colorful. And I would have to say, from the 3 that have come out, this is the least wearable. And when I say that, this isn't for the everyday consumer, you know, the ones that wear browns and golds and coppers and all of that. This is totally not that palette, but I still really love it because I am a makeup artist, so I do love color, so I play with anything. But for the everyday person, this is definitely not an everyday palette, but it is super fun and super colorful. It really gets you out of your comfort zone. Like when I created this look, I didn't know how it was going to turn out. And that's the thing about getting out of your comfort zone, because you wouldn't think that these, you know, colors would mix well together, but they do. And that's what's really fun about this palette, because you get to be creative and mix different colors together, like blue and pink and blue and green, and just like a whole bunch of different varieties in here. There are very few wearable type of shades in here, like, you know, you have your orange, which I know some people are like, that's not really wearable. But it's the most, I guess, neutral in this palette, but it's super pretty. And obviously you have your standards. You have a black and a dark brown, which I kind of wish this dark brown would have ended up in Volume 1. I think it would have fit a lot better, in my opinion. So the packaging is the same as Volume 1. You get this huge ass, bomb ass mirror, you guys. 25 shadows listed from A through E, 1 through 5 in each row. I tried my best to use most of the shadows in this palette. There's a lot of color here, you guys, so there's still so much more room to play with this palette, which I'm still going to be doing and mixing with the other palettes. I think that would be really cool. I hope you guys like the looks that I created. I tried my best to use most of the shadows, like I said, and I just wanted to show you guys the different, you know, variety of different looks that you can create with this really colorful palette. So if you guys want to see the 4 looks that I created using the Norvina Volume 2 collection palette, then just keep on watching.
Oh, baby. 125 in the middle.
So that was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Which look was your favorite? Please let me know down below. As always, I really had a lot of fun creating these looks for you guys. They're very different for me as well. Like, I love my color, but having to play with more color and different types of blues and greens to play with was so much fun, and I hope you guys really enjoyed the combinations that I created. I really enjoyed this palette, you guys, and I do recommend it, especially for people that are venturing out of their comfort zone and love color. I definitely recommend it. But if not, check out volume 1 or volume 3, because I think those are definitely more wearable. They have pops of color, but they're not as scary, because I know that a lot of color like this can be scary and intimidating. Yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. We're getting very close to 1K subscribers. I'm so excited for that. I will have the palette linked directly down below if you guys want to check it out. And you guys, I just got volume 3 in the mail today, so definitely keep a lookout for another video doing more than one look very soon. So yeah, you guys, I don't have anything else to say except I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.